Are you looking to set up your school profile but feeling a little overwhelmed? Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, step by step, so you can get started quickly and easily. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your school profile, and I'll even share some alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals. Let's dive right in. First things first, after you sign up for Skool, you'll be asked to create a profile. It's super simple. Just enter your basic information, name, email, and set a password. You can upload a profile picture, which is optional, but helps make your profile look more professional. Next, let's talk about customizing your school profile. This is where you can make your profile stand out. Go to the Settings tab, and you'll be able to adjust your username, bio, and other details that will help others in the Skool community understand who you are. Your bio is a great place to include a short description of your interests or goals on Skool. Don't forget to save your changes. The third thing you'll want to do is connect your social media accounts. Skool lets you link up your Twitter, LinkedIn, and other profiles, which is helpful if you want to connect with others and expand your network. This will also allow Skool to suggest relevant communities based on your interests. You can also manage your email preferences here, so you only get the notifications you want. Next, let's talk about groups. Skool is all about community, so it's important to get involved. You can either create your own group or join existing ones. When you create a group, make sure to set a clear description and rules so people know what to expect. If you join a group, engage with the members and start participating in discussions. The fifth thing you should know is how to manage your notifications. Skool can send you updates about group activity, new content, and messages. You can adjust the frequency of these notifications by going into your settings and making sure you're only getting updates that matter to you. Now, let's get to the fun part, setting up your courses or content. Skool allows you to upload videos, files, and other resources that you can share with your community. You can organize everything into lessons or modules, making it easy for others to navigate. If you're looking to monetize your content, Skool also has features for that, but I'll get into that a bit more later. Here's the thing, while Skool is a powerful tool, it's not the only option out there. If your goal is to build a highly engaged community and sell your content, I've got a couple of alternatives that might be a better fit. These alternatives also offer free trials, and some even have extended features for community building, so stick around until the end, and I'll give you those details. Lastly, if you're still feeling unsure about Skool, I've got good news. Through our exclusive link, you can get an extended free trial with Skool that isn't available anywhere else. Plus, the alternatives I mentioned come with their own free trials and unique benefits, so make sure to check them out before making your final decision. And that's how you set up your Skool profile. If you want to explore even more features or see how Skool stacks up against its competitors, check the description below for all the details. Don't forget to grab your free trials through our exclusive link. Thanks for watching!